Hi everyone, you're welcome back to your go-to channel for business, beauty and personal development tips on how to live our best lives. Today's video is sponsored by ZariaYong.com, which is my brand, of course, ZariaYong.com, and I am bringing to you guys a review of the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. Here is the foundation, and of course I'll be saying something about this unit I am wearing from ZariaYong.com. So if this sounds like something you were interested to see, if you would love to see me apply this foundation on my face, how I got to this look I have on in this video, grab something to sip, have a seat, and let's start the application process. To begin, my hands are very dry. I spent the whole day making wigs. So I'll just moisturize my hands, and I'm using an Aveeno. I will go ahead and moisturize my face. Guys, if I'm looking down, there is a mirror in front of me, sorry. Okay, I'm moisturized, so I'll go ahead and prime. I want to start with my eyebrows. Okay, I'm going to use this brush to brush the brows upwards. I've been trying to grow everything and just leave it the way it is, so I haven't been shaping my brows. I have not been relaxing my hair and shape them as they are. Everyone is going in their own direction, but that's okay. Now I will use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. Just brush them again with the pencil. My baby is upstairs like boom, boom, boom. So it's time for me to fill them out. I'm not sure if I should line the top of the brow. Should I? But before I do that, I'm going to apply this. This is a brow fast sculpt gel mascara. So I'll do the same for this other eye. I will now go in and apply the foundation. We are testing out this Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I picked up medium dark 3.3. It's called Caracas, so 6623. It's a very long time I haven't used a Nars foundation. I've been using one of their concealers. So it comes out in this box, and there is this black box holding it again, which is cute. I'll just shake it up here. It is supposed to be a long wear foundation. They say it can last 16 hours on the face. Instructions for use: shake well, apply a small amount starting in the center of the face and blend outwards. It comes with a pump, so it says to shake well, and then I'll just press. I'll just pump it up and see. Perfect. I'll use this concealer brush. It's a Real Techniques Essential Foundation brush to apply to my face. So this is the first time I'm trying this, so this shade might end up being too dark or too light for me. I don't know. I don't want to go heavy under my eyes. Just looking at this, I think the foundation is like really covering up. Wow. And it's more of a warm toned foundation. So not to hold it up, I'm going to quickly apply this on my face with maybe a beauty blender. Okay guys, so this is how this foundation looks with nothing on it. Okay, so I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, and I'm using again a Nars concealer. I will let that sit for a while. While it's sitting, I'm going to contour my face. Let's warm it up the more. But I think I have a pretty oblong face. I don't even know why. Why do I contour? Okay guys, what do you think? What do you think? All right, let's blend, right? We'll start with the concealer. Okay, I'm going to apply a powder contour on top of the contour I just created, and I'm using this Maybelline City Bronzer. I'm also going to apply some setting powder on the concealer. The setting powder I will use is this one from Laura Mercier. Go in with a beauty blender. Conceal. I'm not going to let it sit, so I'll just go ahead and wipe it off right away. Now I'm going to apply powder to my entire face. The powder I will use is this MAC powder. So I'll apply dust off the rest and just go and apply. I'm going to apply the blush now, and the blush I want to use is from ELF. I will just rub around all of them like that. Tap it off, and then that's enough for me. Now I'll go in and apply the highlighter. Perfect. I'm using a MAC highlighter. That is beginning to look good, but as you can see, my lips are really dark. I'm dry, dehydrated, so feels better. What is left now is my eyeshadows. So to do my eyeshadows, I'll be using the James Charles Mauve palette and some brushes. I will start with this very light shade. I'm good with that. So I'll look for like a lighter shade, maybe this pink one. Go in with my finger and then apply on my eyelids like that. I'll do my eyelashes. This is where I mess things up. I've never had my eyeliner right, so let's see what happens today. What do you think? I'll go in with a lighter shade for eyeshadow and just put in here. Okay, it's time to apply my lashes, but I have these. They are from MAC. Let's see how this goes. And I have the Duo Grow. Guys, I'm dehydrated. I apologize for my lips, so I'm going to use the Duo Grow. Drop a little bit there. Okay, the lashes are tacky, so I'll try to look down and then these are all lashes. I've used them before, so I'm reusing them. I always have a problem with the inside. I don't know why. Okay, let's try this other side. Again, take them off. Apply the gel. The secret to this is to apply enough gel. If you don't apply enough, number one, or leave it enough for it to get tacky, it's never gonna stick. Okay, so this other side is dry. Let's stick it in. This is the L'Oreal Luminous Wear mascara, and just brush out my lashes with the fake ones. At this point, I am super tired. I will do a quick lip and go in with one of my favorite lipsticks. This one is Bare Reveal from Maybelline. I just like to go in always and blend everything because I don't want things to show off in layers. Contour will be showing over here and the other part over there. At this point, all that is left to do is to spray and let it dry. Guys, let me know below what you think about this makeup so far. Are you loving this foundation? Okay, the only last thing that I have to do is I'm going to wear a wig and show you guys the final look. Guys, I'm hot. I mean like hot. It's hot in here. Let us conclude this video. What do you guys think about this foundation, guys? I love it. I think that it is warm enough. I love makeup that is warm, because when it's not warm, it tends to be ashy. I feel like this one like really blended well with everything I used. But I must warn you, this foundation is matte, so you have to moisturize your skin really good, otherwise it will crease, especially if you add the powders on top and add more contour and stuff like that. I also think that when I just applied, it looked a little bit like too much, but it kind of oxidized and then just like sunk into my skin. Is it sunk? Okay, I love these. I will try this foundation for a while and just see. It says it can last up to 16 hours. Unfortunately, it's 6 p.m. on a Saturday and I just wanna hang indoors, film more videos, so I won't be trying that today, but I'll play around with it, move around with it and see how it turns out. Other than that, I love it. If you are interested in getting it, I've put links to the products I used from Amazon in the description box below, because I got you all covered, so go grab some for yourself. And do not forget, if you're also interested in this unit, you can go get it at ZariaYong.com. Alright guys, if at this point you're still subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free to subscribe. You just need a Google email to subscribe. Content is free, right? So subscribe and come back to my channel. Like, comment below. Of course, let me know what you think about the foundation. Is it my shade, you think? Are you gonna get it? Do you want more makeup videos? Oh my god, makeup is hard, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and see you in my next video.